Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect Ledger to phone. First, power on your Ledger and unlock it using your PIN, then open the companion app on your phone. Follow on-screen prompts to enable Bluetooth pairing or USB OTG, depending on your model. Confirm device fingerprints and approve any connection requests on both devices. Keep privacy in mind and do not share your recovery phrase during setup for security and backup. Start by updating your Ledger firmware and app to the latest version before you connect. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled for wireless models or that you have a compatible OTG cable for wired connections. Open the official companion app and follow its initial setup instructions, granting only necessary permissions. Keep both devices close and avoid public Wi-Fi during pairing, and verify device prompts carefully to prevent. When pairing, accept the exact fingerprint displayed on your Ledger and confirm it in the app to ensure a secure link. If your model uses a passphrase, enter it only on the Ledger device and not on your phone. Approve any connection requests and keep both devices awake until the process completes. Finally, try a small transaction or balance check to confirm everything is functioning properly before moving larger amounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.